Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Shinjuku, Japan. We'll grab a quick lunch and we'll be exploring Gunpla and hopefully find some rare kits. I usually hang out around this area when I'm in Tokyo, but today we're going somewhere else. Akihabara is a quick train ride from where I am. Taking the JB line is about 30 minutes away. Akihabara is a hobby paradise. I haven't been here in my last two trips. Time to figure out where to start. Here's Tamashii Nation. You can't miss it. It's just right next to the station. This is how close it is. I know for a fact that many stores don't allow video recording, and even though I didn't see any signs, I'm keeping a low profile to avoid the staff. And here are the Netflix Aku and RX-78 figures. I'd recommend waiting before buying, as we'll be exploring other stores in the area, and you may find the same items at a better deal. After the moving Gundam from Yokohama was taken down, we all thought it was the end, but now it has been redesigned for Expo 2025 in Osaka. The Gundam will no longer move, but it will take on a striking stationary pose, one knee on the ground, pointing to the sky. Now you're looking at this ghost saying of Yoka's Odysseus. These Go Saint Seiya figures are part of the Saint Cloth Myth X series revival version. The mini Gold Cloth Myth Appendix Gold Cloth objects are exclusive to Tamashii Nation stores. They're only about 100mm tall, but have already sold out. And these are the Sagittarius Seiya figures, which was released last month in December. Let's move on to somewhere else, and here we are at the Radio Kaikan building. I keep seeing these Gundam chocolates every time when I come to Japan. This building has 10 floors, but not all of them are dedicated to plastic models or Gunpla. These are some of the can badges. There are some collectible pins featuring anime or game characters. Affordable and customizable, they're popular for decorating bags. Coming up to 4th floor is a store called AmiAmi. They have wide selection of figures, blind boxes, plastic models, accessories, tools, add-ons, and even 30-minute sisters and their weapons.
I'm putting on my mask because too many people are coughing. Sometimes it takes patience to browse around because there are too many spots to check out. It can be overwhelming.
So many Gaia Notes paints, and I've never seen this Evangelion paint set before. It's only 1,070 yen, which is around $9 in Canadian currency. So many figures everywhere. They even have Formula One collectibles. That's Charles Leclerc and his Ferrari. I would definitely get it for Lewis Hamilton. Now on another floor, where they have Pokemon cards, and this store has posted a list of Gundam prices outside.
This place got a lot of metal built and premium Bandai, but they don't allow video recording inside.
I'm now on the 6th floor at a store called Yellow Submarine. These are acrylic stands and display cases in various sizes. They're super lightweight and can be disassembled. Some even have UV protection, so your Gundam colors won't fade from prolonged exposure to light. I have these mini spot LEDs at home, but too bad they run on batteries. But I'm pretty sure the ones on displays are connected with wires. Don't you see the wires? Hey, this looks really familiar because I just got this Capsule toys in Osaka a few days ago. It's the exact same set. Those cube displays are rental showcases where people can rent small spaces to sell collectibles, toys, or figures. Sometimes you can even find rare kits in them. I love Capsule toys, but most of the time they are pretty repetitive. And this capsule toys is expensive. You can actually buy a kit with that price. Here I found a figure store. This is my first time visiting, and they have really amazing stuff. The figures are incredibly detailed, and even though they're a bit pricey, it's definitely worth it. I don't see anyone actually buying anything. It looks like everyone just comes here to take pictures and videos, and the staff is super friendly and welcoming to everyone. Here are more of these rental cube displays. This is another building. This store offers tax-free service, but not all stores in Akihabara do. Tax-free means, as a tourist, you can show your passport and get an instant tax refund on purchases over 5,500 yen. And these are some Ichiban Kuji kits. Each Ichiban Kuji kit has the lottery's logo, indicating they're meant to be exclusive to the game and not sold anywhere else. The ones we're seeing in the store right now are probably resale items from the winners or leftover stock. I saw this Gigo building across the street and decided to take a look. This is Yodobashi Camera. In Akihabara, camera stores have started selling toys, figures, and collectibles because the area has become a hotspot for otaku culture. Otaku refers to people who are deeply passionate about things like anime, manga, video games, and model kits. Akihabara used to be all about electronics and cameras, but in the 1990s, it started becoming a hotspot for otaku. To keep up with the growing crowd, stores started adding toys, figures, and collectibles. These are some of the gashapon Gundams. The gashapon or capsule toy machines usually get restocked every few weeks or months, depending on how popular the items are and when the new ones come in. The popular items in capsule toy machines usually sell out quickly. Collecting a full set can be quite difficult because you never know what you will get from each capsule. They have a wide variety of painting booths here. This is from Tamiya, and there are some smaller ones on the top. The red one looks pretty similar to the one I have at home. And the brown one is a water curtain spray booth. This one is really small. I guess it's more suitable for homes in Asia, where living spaces are often smaller. This one is made out of cardboards. This Mr. Basic painting booth is from Mr. Hobby. I've seen it before in a hobby store in Toronto, but I think it doesn't have a connection for a ventilation fan. And this metal one is huge and expensive. They have a great selection of tools and accessories, including model kit add-ons, various types of paintbrushes, and a long aisle filled with paints and masking tapes. They also carry models of planes, trains, boats, and cars. And look at these airbrushes and compressors. On the other side of the floor, you'll find all the toys and video games. It's been a fun day, but I wish I had someone to hold my camera so I could fully enjoy the moment. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Now it's time to get my dinner. Stay tuned for the upcoming Tokyo Gundam Base episode. See you in the next one.